Morning, loves. Every time I think about Ray Charles's song, It's Not Easy Being Green, I think, it's quite lovely being green. It's Sunday, and I'm taking care of my hair with dollar store shampoo and conditioner. Don't sleep on Silkians in the dollar store. Oh my God, this turned out to be quite a lovely formula. But when I'm deep conditioning, I go intense hydrating mask, high-end Moroccan oil. Here I am showing you guys. I'm still working on the tum. There it is. There it is. With my deep conditioning cap and my Cape Canaveral shirt from Florida from my sister Bernie. Ooh, oh, just delightful randomness. And you know, it wouldn't be a Claudia's Universe vlog without some showcasing and dancing. Turn it up. Everything in my kitchen seems to have a green hue. Even the flowers. Oh, this is my pure water. I keep my apartment water clean that way. Hello again. It's Claudia. What I'm doing is sharing a breakfast idea with you. This is oatmeal with a bit of baked apple, nuts, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a couple of squeezes of honey. Remember now, I learned the other day that baked apples help to stop bloating. And here are my 2 little cute apples. I'm going to dice them up, put them on this pan, and pop them in the oven. In will go nutmeg and cinnamon. Or maybe I should say on top of the apples, I'll sprinkle nutmeg and cinnamon. Those trusty tongs can be used to pull the walnuts down from the top shelf. These premium walnuts, great value. I think they came out of Aldi's. But you know what, guys? I found some mixed nuts that I eventually used. There they are. No walnuts. Magic hit the lights. More magic, get the plates already, and get the nuts already shelled. Cinnamon, nutmeg, even in the oatmeal. I could have put that on top of the meal afterwards, but I wanted it to cook in. Hello again. Here's my almond breeze. Make that oatmeal creamy as you please. More green and more dancing. Morena pure cane sugar, just 1 tablespoon is fine. When you finish stirring up the sugar and the milk, the nut milk, then pop those warm apples on the top and then sprinkle the nuts. Here's the honey, the last of the honey. I had to put in the toast to give myself a nice filled up breakfast so that when I worked during the morning, I wouldn't be hungry again so soon. And there it is. It's lovely. It's quite lovely being green breakfast. Oh, that looks so hearty. And it was delicious, guys. Oh my goodness. So, besitos y abracitos. I will see you in another vlog. Happy Monday tomorrow.